guys, I'm Yuki and welcome to this video. I'm here to make a tutorial on how things work on Dropshipman. I will explain product importing, order management, and the sourcing management to you step by step. Let me briefly introduce our app. Dropshipman is a professional dropshipping application to service Shopify merchants with a variety of winning product choice. It supports merchants to import products from AliExpress as well as our platform to Shopify store in one click. Dropshipman also supports one-click batch processing of order and provides product searching and logistics service. Currently, we are cooperating with more than 900,000 Shopify merchants around the world. First, product importing, that is, product both from AliExpress and Dropshipman are available to quickly import to your Shopify store. The second is order management. All order in your store regardless of AliExpress orders or Dropshipman orders. Supported operations include finish payment, add notes, and switch delivery method. So be aware of what platform you are paying for. At last, sourcing management. You can apply sourcing requests to Dropshipman. After our sourcing professional locate the goods, your request will be marked as success, which you can follow the place, the order, and let Dropshipman deliver the goods for you. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Open up My Product on the left bar. As you can see on the screen, there are AliExpress, Dropshipman, and Store Product. AliExpress and Dropshipman are where we're gonna import the products. Then we can track our Shopify product in Store Products. Now, if we want to import the product from AliExpress, first thing first, we need to find the potential winning products from AliExpress in a device. For example, I want to import those socks. Then I'm gonna copy the link of it and paste it in here. Click Add Product and wait a second. The product has been imported to Dropshipman successfully. See, just that simple. Then we can click the Import Product button. It also supports both product and one-click import to Shopify store. When it's done, we go to Store Product to track the product that we just import. If you want to import the product from Dropshipman, go to Find Product and select the product that you are interested in. Click Add to Product List. Now we go to Dropshipman. You will find the product we just add. You can edit the product title, product type here to make correspond with your store. You can also customize the description and change the name of the variant. When you finish editing, click Import Product. Then the product is added into the store product just like before. Let's move to the second step. Order management. Open Add Order on the left bar. There are All and Dropshipman. In All, you can check all the orders that your customers place on the store here. And you can check the order that placed from Dropshipman here. To finish sourcing the order, you just need to find the order that you want to fulfill and click Payment. Make sure the order you paid has a Dropshipman hashtag state. Super easy, right? When the payment is done, Dropshipman will process the order. Once the products are ready, delivery will take place within 7 to 8 hours. Most of delivery time is expected to be 7 to 15 days. Now we're gonna talk about the last part, Sourcing management. We provide two ways of sourcing: order sourcing and normal sourcing. Let's begin with order sourcing. Order sourcing simply means you want to source the product for the orders by your customer. You definitely can apply for sourcing the items for us, even if the product may not be shown on our product list. We continue the operation on order and find the order that you want to sort. Click the sourcing button, fill in the target price and select the destination and then submit. When your sourcing request is marked as successful, the corresponding order will go directly to order Dropshipman. Finish the payment and the journey ends. Okay, great. Move on to normal sourcing. Open our sourcing on the left bar, and then we click the green sourcing button on the top right of screen. There is a sourcing form pops out. We can add the title, media, description, link, target price, and select the product type and the destination country. Remember to add the pictures and the URL that you found the product. When we finish, click Request to send the request form to the Dropshipman sourcing team. Once the application is submitted, you can view the processing status of the request in this list. Products that successfully found will be displayed in My Product Dropshipman, which supports one-click import to your Shopify store. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it gives you a clear understanding of how to navigate Dropshipman. As always, if you like this video, please don't forget to smash a like and subscribe our channel. We will share more skill and great idea on running dropshipping business for you guys. Let's boost yourself